Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels with Glucoberry, a natural solution. Explore how Glucoberry, a natural supplement, can assist you in maintaining and supporting optimal blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll delve into the significance of blood sugar regulation and the key benefits of incorporating Glucoberry into your daily routine. The importance of blood sugar regulation. Understanding the critical role of blood sugar in our overall health is paramount. Blood sugar, or blood glucose, serves as the body's primary source of energy, supplying all cells. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for well-being, as significant fluctuations can lead to issues like fatigue, mood swings, excessive hunger, and long-term health concerns. Discovering Glucoberry's role. Glucoberry is an innovative dietary supplement meticulously crafted to naturally stabilize blood sugar levels. By harnessing the power of carefully selected herbal ingredients, Glucoberry provides a comprehensive approach to blood sugar management. Let's explore the significant advantages that Glucoberry offers. Blood sugar regulation. Regulating blood sugar levels is the cornerstone benefit of Glucoberry. The components within Glucoberry work synergistically to slow down the absorption of glucose from food, effectively preventing sudden post-meal spikes in blood sugar levels. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. Glucoberry incorporates compounds associated with improved insulin sensitivity. Enhanced insulin sensitivity means cells become more responsive to insulin, the hormone responsible for blood sugar regulation. This improvement promotes more stable blood sugar levels. Antioxidant support. Several ingredients in Glucoberry possess potent antioxidant properties, countering oxidative stress and inflammation commonly linked to blood sugar imbalances. Reducing oxidative stress contributes to overall metabolic health. Sustained energy levels. Maintaining balanced blood sugar levels is closely tied to consistent energy levels throughout the day. Glucoberry's formula is expertly designed to support the steady release of energy by averting rapid blood sugar fluctuations. Natural ingredients. Glucoberry stands out for its use of natural ingredients. It blends traditional herbs with modern plant extracts, all carefully chosen for their potential to promote healthier blood sugar levels. Incorporating Glucoberry into your routine. Adding Glucoberry to your daily regimen is a straightforward and convenient way to prioritize your blood sugar health. It's important to note that dietary supplements work most effectively when combined with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. For individuals with underlying health conditions or taking medications, consulting with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement is advisable. In a world where health challenges are on the rise, taking proactive steps to manage our well-being is imperative. Glucoberry presents a natural and comprehensive approach to supporting healthy blood sugar levels, making it a compelling choice for those seeking equilibrium in their lives. Remember, consistent efforts toward a balanced lifestyle, coupled with products like Glucoberry, can pave the way for a healthier and more energetic you. Take the first step towards healthier blood sugar levels with Glucoberry and embrace the advantages of natural, sustainable well-being. Your body will express its gratitude.